about showing to people how, if they forget for one moment the corporate cage, how collaborative, how creative, how resilient, how spontaneous and how meaningful their work and their working together could be.
So we're going into challenge the people's homes, elderly homes. We're building playgrounds, doing renovations in different areas, and all that with people who never have worked together, people who have different backgrounds, different trades, different specialities, but they are based on a common purpose. Delivering a project back to the people who are in need of some improvements and enhancements, are putting their forces together, collaborating, cooperating, building things completely out of their comfort zone, and thereby learning some of the hidden leadership principles, some of the hidden talents they're having, and they're discovering each other all around giving back to society.
Get people out there, challenge them with a task they've never or very rarely been confronted with, to collaborate with people they might have seen one or the other on the corporate corridor, but never really worked together. And in the beginning there's panic. How shall we do this? By the end of the day there's friendship. And probably what we achieve, we're able to reset time. For many of these people, with some of the frustrations which in this very complex world emerge automatically in the corporate world, they actually gain trust again.